attention. Mobbing like a motherfucker, but I ain't lynching. Dropping the funky shit that's making the sucker niggas mumble. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close, say your ass will get smacked. My motherfucking homie, Doggy Dog, has got my back. Never let me slip, cause if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'ma continue to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if your bitches talk shit, I have to put the smack down. Yeah, and you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I tick and I talk. But I'm never off, always on till the break of dawn. See you when PTO in the city they call Long Beach. Putting the shit together like my nigga DOC. No one can do it better like this, that, and this. And it's like that and like this and like that. And it's like this. Then who gives a fuck about those?
So just chill till the next episode.
Akira mu mutima afungana kare umvuze n'abarusha intara amakare ngiye kumwandika sinabona amakaye umutwe wanjye wubitse amabanga niyo ndwaye byambera muganga aranyubaha nasa n'ubunyanga ni mama cyangwe kuko abarusha uburanga mutega amatwi nk'uko nuvazana si bimwe by'imitwe niwe numva tuzabana umwana wanjye aranyubaha sana nanjye kandi ndamukunda sana niba umfana nawe vuga sana sana ndagupenda sana umwana wanjye aranyubaha sana nanjye kandi ndamukunda sana niba umfana nawe vuga sana sana ndagupenda sana umwana wanjye byarenze igitomati abasore bo bahakoreye inkomati nirukanse imbeba zijya kurya imyumbati nsigarana umwana ndi kumuha yogati yarishije shuga dadisi i Kigali akati na Roki wigize ikinani atuma bamwe bava mu butinganyi n'umwamikazi yahekwa no mu ngobyi mutega amatwi nk'uko nuvazana si bimwe by'imitwe niwe numva tuzabana umwana wanjye aranyubaha sana nanjye kandi ndamukunda sana niba umfana nawe vuga sana sana ndagupenda sana umwana wanjye aranyubaha sana nanjye kandi ndamukunda sana niba umfana nawe vuga sana sana ndagupenda chuma chuma chuma
With everything happening today, you don't know whether you're coming or going, but you think that you're on your way. Life lined up on the mirror, don't blow it. Whoa. Look at me when I'm talking to you. You looking at me, but I'm looking through you. I see the blood in your eyes. I see the love in disguise. I see the pain hidden in your pride. I see you're not satisfied. And I don't see nobody else. I see myself. I'm looking at the mirror on the wall. Here we are again. Yeah. Through my rise and fall. You've been my only friend. Yeah. You told me that they can understand the man I am. So why are we here talking to each other? started by your side, but I'm with you when you're all alone, and you correct me when I'm looking wrong. I see the guilt beneath the shame. I see your soul through your window pane. I see the scars that remain. I see Wayne, I'm looking at them.
Mirror on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend.
My only friend.
You told me that they can understand the man I am.
They
so
can't understand.
Here,
Misunderstood.
talking to each other again.
Looking at me now, I can see my past. Damn, I look just like my fucking dad. Light it up, that smoke and mirrors. I even look good in the broken mirror. I see my mama smile, that's a blessing. I see the change, I see the message, and no message could have been any clearer. So I'm starting with the man and the
Mirror on the wall,
MJ taught me that.
here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend.
Take them to Mars, man.
You told me that they can understand the man I am. So why are we talking to each other again? Mirror on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend.
Any questions?
You told me that they can
come to you.
understand the man I am. So
You always have the answer.
Here, talking to each other again. Mirror on the wall.
ABP, looks like I did take him to Mars this time.